Hey friends, I just want to show you real quick how to add an order to a party that you have open currently from your end. So you will start at 31today.com, otherwise known as TOT, and you will go up here and click on your virtual office. This is where you're going to enter all of your orders and set up your parties. You're going to go to your parties tab and you're going to click open parties. And then in this list, you're going to find the party that you want to add the order to. So I'm going to choose this one here. And then on this tab, you're going to see all these different tabs of party information. So the About section has all of your party information. If you click the Hostess tab, you're going to see the hostess's information. And then what you're looking for to place an order on this party. Maybe that someone just gives you an outside order and says, hey, can I order a large utility tote in this print? You can go here and add it for her this way. You will click the Orders tab. You will click New Order. And then you're just going to fill in the customer's information. So I'm going to just show you here with my name. Or Chad's name. Okay, so now you're in your shopping cart. And all you have to do is put in the item number or the name of the item that you're looking for. You're going to choose the print that you want. And then if you want to personalize this item, you're going to go here and click the Personalize button. It's going to bring up a new section for you with all of our personalization options. And we're going to say she wants to do an icon with the bear. You can then choose the color that you want the bear. We're going to leave that caramel because that's super cute. And then I want to put a line of text below it. So we're going to go here, add a line of text. Okay, I was going to put love you very much, but it doesn't fit, so you get the gist. We're going to do that in hot pink. Change it to the rounded font. And then that's going to show you what it's going to look like. Now, you can also go here and download your image. That's going to save it to your computer. That way you can send the picture to your customer for them to approve of how it looks with the embroidery. And then after you do that, you're going to click Save and Add to Cart. Then you're going to go up here to view your cart. You're going to see your cart, see the prices, and then you're going to go to checkout. You're going to make sure the shipping option is okay to the hostess or direct ship. It's going to give you your total, and then you're going to click the payment box. If they paid you with cash or check, you're going to use your card on file. If they pay with a credit card, you can scroll the whole way bottom and click New Guest Credit Card. And then after you add your payment, you can click the Save and Continue button. And the order should show that it is ready to submit in your order section. If it says order incomplete, it just means you have to go back in and go through the process because either something fell out of the cart or pricing changed or whatever. Otherwise, then you are ready to go.